Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Samsung Odyssey Neo G9 gaming monitor. So friends, Samsung today announced the global launch of its next generation curved gaming monitor, the Odyssey Neo G9, enhanced with Quantum Mini LED technology, and it joins the Odyssey lineup, taking gaming to the next level with Quantum Matrix technology supported by Quantum Mini LED display and Quantum HDR 2000 for an impressive gaming experience. And friend, this premium gaming monitors comes with smooth and brilliant feature quality. And friend, now with the industry's first quantum mini LED curved display, delivering the most refined detail regardless of game played. And the monitor is catapulting the gaming monitor category forward and featuring quantum matrix technology combined with super fast response and refresh rate. So friends, this monitor utilizes the same mini LED technology built into Samsung's latest Neo QLED lineup. And friends, the next generation display technology is enabled by a new light source, Quantum Mini LED at 1/40 is the height of conventional LED. The Quantum Mini LED has incredibly thin micro layers filled by many more LEDs. And friend, the Quantum Mini LED makes the dark areas darker and bright areas brighter with 2048 dimming zones, ensuring viewers enjoy the content as it is meant to be seen. And Quantum HDR 2000 offer a peak brightness of 2000 nits with certification received from VDE alongside a static contrast ratio of 1000, a static contrast ratio of 10 lakh gem1, and in addition Samsung cutting edge picture quality technology provides a perfect black and white levels for unparalleled contrast and emulate detail. And friend, it features ultra wide 49-inch display with 32:9 aspect ratio that offers dual core high definition with a rapid 240Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time. And friend, the futuristic and immersive 1000R curvature of the monitor was certified by TÜV Rheinland and a leading international certificate organization. And friend, it provides adaptive sync on DisplayPort 1.4 and HDMI to VRR through HDMI 2.1 with NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro. And friend, this mini LED will be available for pre-order from 29 July 2021 and will be available globally by 9 August 2021. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.